So Kelly, as you may know, I've been asking everybody in the office, "Hey, what have you picked up this week, this month, this year by being on a team?" But I said I'm going to reverse the role. I'm going to hand off the mic. I'm going to give it to you. You ask the question, whatever you want.
All right. I'm actually going to go back into the past because you said that you've been in the business about 40 years, Ed. And I'm going to ask you if you could change a few things, one, two things, big things, little things, what would you change knowing what you know now to what you did when we just all kind of started at the beginning?
I would have invented a computer sooner.
Okay.
So what else would I change? I don't have control over that. I think the one thing I learned for me is this is on maybe a little bit different direction. But the one thing I really learned more than anything else is if you buy real estate that you can afford, hold on to it. Live within your means. Don't overspend. Don't buy unnecessary things. Take that excess cash you have, put it on the side and save it, and try to find a way to buy some real estate and then buy another one. If I just bought one house per year, and it may sound like a lot to a lot of people, but in this business and at the level we were and where prices were and where rents were at the time, it was possible to not go buy a Mercedes, but buy a house, right? And buy one every year. If I did that for the last 37 years, I'd have 37 properties, of which 20 to 30 of them would have been paid off to zero right now. So I think that's the biggest thing I would have changed. May not have anything to do with being a successful real estate agent, but just being a financially secure person is probably the biggest change I would have made.
That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really good.
Thank you. Thank you.